A federation is a system of government where power is shared between a central authority and smaller units like states or regions. This allows each level to operate independently in some areas while working together in others. In Nigeria, this power is shared among the federal, state, and local governments to promote effective governance and national unity. This system is guided by a written constitution that clearly defines the powers and functions of each level of government. It ensures a clear division of powers, upheld by an independent judiciary that resolves disputes. Federalism is significant in Nigeria as it helps manage ethnic and religious diversity and promotes peaceful coexistence. It strengthens national unity and supports economic development by allowing states to focus on their unique resources.